Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martinent. As you already know, we are back with another episode. And I'm having ngiwani nginiphathele unkinga trouble baba khohlwa. Awuthami, come on.
Nandi wena.
Number one.
Yeah.
Yazi I'm so glad ukuthi you are here. Yazi ukuthi there was a time because ngakubona kwenye podcast ne.
Sure.
Then like I was so interested like in your story, yabo. Then ngazama ukusearcha like kuma social media, ngazama ukubheka unkinga azange kuthole mfethu. Kahle kuma socials awukaze like uzibize mhlambe like unkinga or like lelo gama lelo like aliko like kuma social media or what's going on lapho.
Khwaza ngegama lami straight yokukyabeza inhlayelana kuma social. Mara ku TikTok bengizikhwaza ngonkinga vele yabo yeah. Manje hekiwe le riding exam le.
Yeah, ngibonile.
Ngisayitheshisi no ayingiphela amandla mina.
Yeah ne and ukhala ngabalo.
Ayimveli.
Why
ubuthakaja yiki uhekhelana inhle usuku ugainana wena moheka inhle yabo.
Phela naye ngihlaphe usuke ufuna ukupusha into zakhe ebona ukuthi account yakho like it's booming. Obviously angeke vela akuheke nje out of the blue.
Yafana abantu phela bayijwayele ngami mase babona ezinye izinto bazobona ukuthi amfitha kusasewunkinga musto yabo yeah.
And you've been saying kuma interviews ukuthi like you were well known kanjani ku social media like ingekho like that profile of yours ewunkinga.
Ngeke ngithi ku social media mina ngicava ngathini Jake bangicava inhle ngathini the way like ngakhona inhle benguma jayivani ngihluphile ukuhlupha sharp yabo abantu bibangazi sharp ngumuntu wabantu enhle yabo ngithanda abantu
okay before nje siqhubeka I just want to let you know sinosihle lapha ku backstage so uzobebuza like from time to time so don't be surprised. I pop my questions. Yeah into engifuna ukuyazi uthi how did it happen ukuthi ubizwe like unkinga because unkinga like that's trouble really we all know yabo so bohlupha in what way?
Okay sharp evarine igama la kankinga ngilithole before ngizohlupha enhleki lokhu okulimaza abantu sharp yabo unkinga ngithole kuphi Sikhanda mina bengumajayivani mina yabo incane isikhanda blind and bengintswembu and bayazi yabo ngibe well known mina Grandshap ngesikhanda kuqala yabo
at what age?
Ethingba shark grade 9 or 8 which is maybe nginabo ma 15 or 14
yeah somewhere there
yabo qale lapho ke isikhabe nginkinga ngesikhanda ke mina ne ukujiva kwami inhle ngikutshela ukuthi ukuba inkinga kwami Grandshap yabo mina ithe ngathini ngaqala ukufunda ukujiva maybe ngithi kuyi Monday the whole week bangirezisa bangifaka weekend yakhona ngathi ngifuna ukubhetlila ngiyazitutsa yabo kwayenzeka ukuthi nalomuntu bengibhetlila angamthela induku babona ukuthi yabona le aleza ngenkinga
yeah
so right bengincanywa ke blind
ubani mhlambe like umuntu obubukela kuye like mhlambe kusikhanda wayejiva or whatsoever ubani kwakuyi role model yakho or umuntu lo ufuna ukufana naye?
Mangari ngivara bona isikhanda or ijive bengabukeli kumuntu Grandshap khona umuntu bengibukela kuye via inispansula Grandshap yabo khona enye awujida ekasi ephimvili la bathu Fistos yabo Fistos iyo bengibukela kuye ke via ubupantsula ukuthi yena bekajiva ma release ezishayile phansi ngathi ziyaqhumanyana yabo
sure
so mina bengincane idance yazi mina from kudala from uncanini before isikhanda bengizijiva zonke lezi zinto abo sijipa abo watwata yabo idance bengincane Grandshap yabo then ke kuze ngifike kwisikhanda abantu engingakutshela ukuthi bengibukela kubo khona bathi umrembula iyasetsatsa khona bathi uvetisi yoke yaqala ukungifundisa ke
okay
yeah izobe ngibukela kuzo ke via sikhanda
okay asithathe siyibuyisele nje ukuthi kahle ukiyabethu usuka va
ukiyabethu kiyabethu birthplace yakhe mina ngazalelwe eNorthwest Rustenburg mina Grandshap yabo so ichema lami belisipana ngayi yabo iGauteng iJozi belisipana ngayi kwenzeka ukuthi simove from Kara sazoploma naye ngayi yabo so saploma naye ngafika ke kai ngageleza ngayi into ezibhanga agcina sengikloma ngapha mina yabo
full time.
yeah full time yeah
Umawoledi nabeka kuphi at the time?
Mawoledi besiploma naye isikhonco eNorthwest saza naye kai fanti ukuthi ichema besiploma ngapha saploma naye ngapha isonke yeah
Okay. There's something that you once mentioned.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngathi time lakho bekanobuye like abekumawoledi sandla. Is it true that thing? Because into besiyibona kuma social media.
into engancane ugringa ngayo yabo le mara sharp into eke yayenzeka yabo yeah mara bayacava ama issues wabo bona yabo yeah sharp
the reason ngibringa up ukuthi lento leyo like ayikaze when it affect like seeing that thing like ukuthi the person that you turned out to be is it like not one of the reason you started like maybe wanting to defend yourself or like mhlambe ugcina nawe ngizoyibeka kanjani like ube in a state whereby it change you as a person because remember is your dad
issues
yabo
mhlambe ngisho vele ibuya labo because vele nami time lami umuntu omunye unenkani yabo
yeah sure
from vele ngisatshelwa nabo magriza vele ukuthi uka yena amncane kuma Grootman wakhe which is amankelo wami yabo bekagura nama Grootman wakhe nebeka wakapa yabo so maybe ngisho maybe ibuya kuye ngisho maybe ngifuze yena yabo kulezinye izinto ngithola
kusho umuntu othanda impi kahle
yena akathanda impi ayithema lami lishayele phansi nje ithema lami yabo umuntu ngathini akana impi nje yabo akusumuntu ojwayelekile because abantu abha vele like nasekazi bahlezi ba ithema la kuhlezi lidonsa igazi lishaya imfethi umhaga yabo hlezi nje Spani sibuyele Spanini yabo into enjalo yabo
ubena ukushaya na
ukushaya mina akukhulu mangikhula mina bangishaya abazali
ugaga
yabo ukungishabe bangishaya yabo till vele ngize ngikhula siyafika istage sokutsha ngeke sisamshalo umuntu sekangaka enhleke yabo yeah
enye into that I've got while I was doing my research ukuthi you were once a soccer player.
Yeah, ngingaligame idisk mina yabo idiski jingbo ngilgame from primary crash ngisaseyintwana crash from le nginabo 9 years ngidlalela bo under 9 nini bengilincane idisk blind bengincane lona blind game bengizibona isoccer player ke mangikhula nami ukuthi ngiyovela kuma TV ngidlalela ama professional nami ngithola so ngilgamile idisk isikhathi eside idisk ngaleka mangicaba grade 8 or 9 ke high school
uliyeka ngani yini lento ekususa from kubhola
idisk line favoritism ngathini futhi phela bese ngiqala ngikhula
but back then angithi bekunalento le yama trial ukuthi like
noma trial kune favorite khona mfethu intwana ukuthi ama time awazo or ama Grootman wazanemali bayobakhiphela na noma wena untsembu kudlula yena marena bazomthatha yena nabakucofi wena yabo so mina mase ngikhula ngiyabona mina ngithanda imali yabo sengibheka ukuthi yazi no mina ngifuna ukuphanda ngifuna ukwenza ezinye izinto ngaba interested kakhulu esipantuleni enhleke ubupantsula nabo ngibe like interested dala enhleke yabo ngokucala nje ukubona like ngathi i-time lento ngithathe from i-time ngokucala nje ukubona uMathanda Kitchen ngathola i-time ukuthi i-time man khona riding bathi uMathanda Kitchen inento ngiyayihlanya riding yabo i-time ilala ngitshela takhulea sovaya so ibhaya riding which is bebangibhayela impahla za December Christmas ntwana yabo
yeah sure
saya ifitasi from la ngabona amapantsula ngaqala ngaba interested bazi incane nokujiva yabo from da ke suka from da ke upantsula ngaba interested kakhulu epantsuleni ke
yeah manje ebholini ngesikhathi sadlala ibhola imuphi lo mdlalo obumthanda
umdlalo
team nje ubi support
kanuba le bedlalela ikhosi uRenile Luthulonyana
yeah
bincanya yona
esadume bona noShabalala
nawo Shaba bheka yeah
wena bodlala yipi position
bengidlala i-midfield mina ngidlala ama-position abhaya ne
okay
mara bengidlala i-midfield mina
ngikuzwa ubala ukuthi time lakho beliyipantsula so yilo nalo elaba ne-influence ukuthi wena nawe ugcine usoyipantsula
ubumncane yeah.
So yena to what extent, because ubupantsula obviously ithathwa njengento mhlambe akusiya abantu mhlambe lokishini esingathi abantu bafisa ukuthi babukele kubo. So wena as itime lakho bekayipantsula lento le awukazi ube na that mindset like ukuthi eish but upantsula izinto ezidume ngopantsula yilezi nalezi which is izinto ezingekho grand yabo
evarine ukuthi okay ngathi upantsula abakudala angazi ukuthi bebunjani yabo because upantsula noma singathini siyacava into la yakudala yakudala ngithola so ngeke ngisho ne ukuthi maybe thina izinto zamanje ke lezi esizaziyo ukuthi hey abantwana abayenza into ezibhedayo ababuya ngithola maybe kudala bekugwenye indlela because mina nethema rambi kuma jive yabo izinto beziziveza sengizibona ithema lambe lingacoceli mara bengizibona izinto sometimes ngicocelwa ulady yabo liyangitshela mfethu utana bekuma jiva pantsula yabo into ezinjalo so leso ngithi mina ngibuthathe kuyo mina ngokuqala nje ukumtshela ukuthi mina mfethu ngihlanya ithanda kitchen angisara from da masengicala ngicava impahla zamapantsula nani yabona ukuthi diamond ukawona uyazishaya lezi zinto ngisazibona kuye ngiyabona ukuthi enhle yabo yeah
then uma lady like bekathini in all of this cause naye I think mhlambe beka like input ukuthi obviously now endlini sekunamapantsula ayi2 manje so yabona manje ukuthi sekwesinye story like i-reaction yakhe like
lizalile ipantsula
ngithi yabona yabo wathanda ipantsula manje sekuzalele ipantsula yangithola yeah
mara ngathini okay endlini nami vele mangizocala babona ukuthi le ngiba interested isipantsuleni too much bebangayincanisisa mara ngingacabi kanjani because mina like ipantsula bengibona manje into esharp man kumaja i-lifestyle nje ejwayelekile ekasi yabo ukuyabona ekasi vele mawuzirokile ama-2 piece watwati amankeli ama-time ayimfana uzikhumbuza ngeenkazi kwasaba uma-oledi bosikrizini kuthi mfethu uzikhumbuza i-out yethu yabo out yami nami beka ini yabo so mina bengibona like into egre upantsula green sharp into egrand yabo i-decision yomuntu ukuthi yena ufuna ukuphila impilo enjani yabo so ukuthi maybe mhlambe leyo muntu vele uyagcoka ama-2 piece nani mara umqonde nokuvaya yena ukuthi yena uncanya maybe gangsterism or ukuhlupha abantu or yabo mara upantsula green sharp hlezi ngisho upantsula i-art upantsula yabo upantsula i-art upantsula i-walkie upantsula i-talk mfethu uyaba ipantsula uyi-artist uthanda ukudrawa uyaba upantsula uqula if uthanda ukuqula yabo ube umajayivani uba yonke lento ufuna umaru libelu ipantsula yabo so upantsula kusinto wrong i-decision yomuntu ukuthi yena ufuna ukuphila impilo enjani yabo yeah
so indaba yakho nokujiva ihambe yaphelela because nebhola wahamba waliyeka then ukujiva kona
jiva zange waphelela ndawo jiva even though bengiganga bengizenza lezi zinto ezingizenza mara ukujiva bekuhlezi kukhona ukujiva bengincane ukujiva ngiriyeza ngiyi1 ngisendlini mina yabo ukujiva kwenzanga for goal sekuthi mina ngicela ngidecide ukwenza izinto ezirong yabo so ukujiva into esegazini ukujiva yeah
okay masithatha like siyibuyisele emuva mawungathi uyabheka manje because now like you have grown yabo so ukhulile and like yiziphi ezinye zezinto feel like ukuthi ezakulidela mhlambe into zokuthi ugcine wenza izinto ezibhedayo because obviously itime lakho belik-inspire ukuthi upantsula as much as usho ukuthi like it was that thing yabo boncanye impahla nani but it went to a point ukuthi ugcine so usuke esiporweni ngalendlela lebo uhamba ngayo diverting doing to ezinye izinto yini izinto that is that distractor that focus that you had and that mindset le owunayo about upantsula
okay yazi into engingayisho yabo asikhuli ngokufana yabo ngasho mhlambe maybe ukukhula then into engihlezi nami ngisho vele ukuthi mina like uqala kwami ukubamba umese ne
yeah sure
ngaqhwenzwa nami ngibuye esigela yabo ngaqhwenzwa mina ngibuye esigela bangithathela isicoko so mina ngileyo ntwana vele enenkani
yeah
so mabangithathela ngifuna ukuyenza sengifuna ukuyozilwela yabo abokawu abangithathele lento bangigiphela imimese so ngiyabona ukuthi ngipowerless ngizokhawatheka ngishawe uvalo nyana from da ngazitshela ukuthi yazi nami ngizophatha umese ukuthi le nto mangaphindi yenzeke mina benguphathela iprotection umese manje mangaphindi yenzeke ngizoreact yabo and yabona umuntu ongakwazi ukuspanisa umese makazospanisa
uba ingozi
yangithola so phatha kwami umese kokucala kwaba into enjalo ukuthi hayi umuntu ngizoreact ukuthi leyo incident yazama ukwenzakala futhi angithi khona abantu vele abajabule for ini nalezi zinto esizigcoka vele amapantsula za tractor vele abantu sifuna ukuyomthathela ini yabo ngareact mayifuna ukwenzeka ke yabo ngazithola ngimlimazile leyo muntu mara ngazi kuphelele kuphi kwenzakaleni from da ke ngaqala ngaphatha umese ke mina qala ngahlangana nempintshi ezintsha sonke sine plug yabo ukuya phambili sigcina sesijuthana ngento ezirong
like injuthana ngani no like
what
was the drive
silisayo siyamli chashwa samajimbosi maqala makahluphi osiwabani siyavasi esigela siyanqonqisana ke siyagijimisana eastern west yabo asazwani nabo sibani bani yili yabo asazwani ke sagicana sagwazana into enje sometimes inathi akuna steering kulento le yabo nawe ilanga lakho likhona lokuthi uzokhawatheka or bazogijimisa yabo akuna steering kulento le
manje uthema ulimaza lo impintshi zakhe zathini nazafuna ukubuyela
kuphi as bekafuna
the time ulimaza lo bekuphathela ummese kulezi ezikuphuca isiqoko
okay mangimlimaza ngeke angimcavi lo aka angazohlalapi mhlambe naye akahlali around lapho yabo so mangimlimaza akwenzakalanga fokola azange babuya neimpintshi or ina ngimazi yabo
then endlini bathini like mase ba realize ukuthi man intwana seyashintsha enhleke yabo ispansula akusilento lena bekathi ayibona ngakhona ukuthi upansula it's arty and upusha iway and nanokuthi uzirepresent as ipansula uembrace ukuthi uyipansula in a good way yabo so mase babona ukuthi uphatha umese nani what was their reaction
endlini they like ngathini bay notice like later nyana yabo endlini yazi mase endlini uziphatha kahle yabo iliwe basikhulise ngakhona respect vele kumele bahloniphe bezinye izinto noma uzenza ngaphandle endlini akumelanga abasichaza mina izinto engizenze ngaphandle bebangazicabi endlini ezinye basizwe sengikhuluma vele kuma podcast nani bayamangala yabo
ukuthi hey bani
no sengikrodi no noma bangathini or ini no bayabona ukuthi sengishintshile ezinye izinto so ezinye izinto ngathi okay ukunothisa ne that's why ngithi endlini mina bebangaboni like maybe ngenza izinto ezibhedayo kakhulu ngikhawathi abantu or something yabo angithi bayacava ukuthi untwana vele unenkani uthanda ukuziphakamela so mhlambe maybe endlini olilambe kumuntu othanda ukusearch izinto zami vele sometimes lihlangana nomese uvuyarasa ukuthi yini uyenzani ngalento so maybe into ebayicabanga basho ukuthi maybe untwana maybe uzama ukuzivikela uyazivela yabo into ezinjalo maybe mabazomchwenza ini because siyacava impilo yangaphandle njani yabo so ngathi bengasinto ebayicabangayo ukuthi maybe untanga khawatha abantu or khona izinto ezideep azenzayo or ini yabo mara mabazihlangana ke kumzali vele ofuna intwana yakhe yenza into ezibhedayo
especially uphatha umese mfethu like
nakanja yabo
but also kunalento ekuthiwa show me your friends I'll tell you your future
sure
so awukaze abangani bakho obviously ama-gents mfethu ayeza endlini mhlawumbe esiblock
yabo
and manblomile nama-gents abazali we can say whatever but abazali they can see ukuthi these people yini into that they are up to you can see like ama-gents ubona ukuthi alawa abahlala endlini labo abadlalana ne-PlayStation you can see ama-gents estrat ukuthi lawa ama-gents estrat lawo yangithola so bebathini like mabeza mhlawumbe abangani bakho abangani bakho bebangeza endlini
bebazwakala mara obviously oledi lizokutshela mana abangani bakho yini mara uyintwana ngeke awunandawo afuna ukuzwa fokoli vele yabo usazokuchubeka nalawo majimbos or ini nihlangana estradeni or abazali mfehlezi bakubeka estars vele ngento eshapa abazi mara wena ngeke umamele na kanjani mawusaseyintwana ufuna ukwenza into efunwa kuwe wena yabo
uma oledi iziphi izinto ozikhumbulayo uma oledi akho bekakutshela zona that you would say now ukuthi this is one of the things umama bekanokumtshela zona yabo about friends nje.
Oledi belingisikela ngempi udama ngalandeleli impintshi kakhulu man ngancane impintshi kakhulu uzobhayiziseka yabo ezinye izinto akusibonke abangani abakuncanyaro bakufisela into ezisharp yabo. So oledi belingibeke stars ngento ezibhaya yabo. So mina ezintwana ke bengamameli ngenandaba yabo. Uyazi samajita enhle ngathi maybe majority amajita asifuna ukulena the hard way thina. Asifuna ukulalela enhle. Till maybe something iyenzeka kan uzo recognize after ukuthi ayisana. Oledi like la ngibeke stars or ubani uyangitshela yabo. Yeah.
But kuze ifike la senigwaza khona abantu angicabanga ukuthi iqale lapho. Yangithola. What are the minor things that you would say you had to go through to learn? And obviously because nanokugwaza umuntu ukuthi umuntu azaphuma igazi, like mama uqala uzothuka ukuthi oh damn sengikhipha ubani igazi ngithola. So what are the minor things? Iqale kanjani like lento le is it build up akuwe? Is it figure to an extent ukuthi now unegathi ukuthi ungalifaka igoni uphume nodaka njengoba bawusho.
Yazi evarine dade ngimayenze yani. Ngeke awufili fokoli novala lubi khona uvala yabo. Uma uyenza into ne awucabangini angazi ngithi ngathi usuku ungenwe something or kwenzakala yabo. Ngoba mazoyenza lento mfethu awucabangi straight ayikho into oyicabangayo or ayikho into oyizwayo yabo. Uvela uyenze kuphela yabo. Uvele uyenze kuphela and mina ke ezingishilo ukuthi mina cala kwami ukuyitheshisa riding bebafuna ukuphinda lento le yayo ukuthi hayi sizomthathela or nilanga aqala ngayitheshisa. So from there ezingiyazi mawunenkani ngathi uzithemba futhi ucapable of anything yabo. So ke lento le icala kuphi futhi ngeke ngayisho khona wachoose wami bamthathela isigcoko esigela yabo, which is enye group bageleza bonke mara labo ntanga labo bablomela inye ikasi la ePimville ezone 6 yabo. Icala kanjalo thina so yenzani so lelu achoose la uyasitshela sonke nje sibesageleza la shanga ama calls geleza igeleza different shanga emfethi kanje nakanje yabo. Shaya imithangala esigela siyali yabo sisiyomeli after school.
Manje othisha abathini esigela mabembona nenza lezi
abothisha yazi masiyenza lento nethina siyenze because nathi la besolelwa untwana la because into eziphathi nayazi besizenza like ngaphandle yabo. Nokuganga kwethu besingakwenzeli emakasi wethu thina besiwayenza masivayile siye somewhere ganga kwethu siganga away.
So akona track ezoba khona uthi
because ikasi lakho uyazi mawungaganga ikasi lakho umoshe ikasi lakho umphakathi yakuzona nomufa bayajabula yabo. And yibo futhi abangahlezi bayenza iplan ukuthi maybe ukhawathebo rufahla yabo. So thina emakasi wethu besingazenzi zonke lezi zinto. Makasi wethu bewacava amapantsula agcoka grand sharp bewacava ukuthi okay abantwana abanokulwa ne mhlambe mara like ngathi asihlupha abantu emakasi wethu silwa maybe nalabo bantu abafuna ukulwa nathi abasuke or something ngiyangithola.
Ngiyabuza ngophela uma kulemala umuntu abazali balo mntwana lo osuke elimele bazofuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzekeni mhlawumbe bazibeze nasesikoleni.
Ngiyakuthola mara ngathi mina ngicavi mhlambe labo bazali nabo bayacava ukuthi le ntwana zethu nazo ama flop mhlambe kwenza something because lezi zinto mazenzakala maybe masithi silanda umuntu esigela somlwisa sharp siyamgurisa loyo muntu mara ayikazi afika kule ndaba ukuthi abazali bakhe or yabo. Kuba east and west mhlambe naye loyo muntu ucabanga nje ngathi because thina ayifiki lento ukuthi mangikabhekile ngiyavanywa tshela abazali sharp abazali bayangibona mangifika endlini ukuthi ukhawathekile bakuzibuza vele kwenzakaleni nini ngizobashasha ngidabe bangibamba inkonzo or something mara ngiyazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Mina ngiyasikela amajimbosi sikela amajimbosi ebafethu asikhuphukile siyabalana ngiyoguru yabo. Into enjalo
ngizwa uthi bowujump esigela bowufunda va.
Mina bengigeleze St
Matthews
eRockville.
Okay.
I-Catholic school yabona ngase le church Regina Mundi. Khona isigela la kune primary yakhona kune high school yeseRock. Awusicavi.
Ngasicavi
for sure yasicava. sifihleke nyana so wrong bengeleza la
Okay, wasiqeda sona isigela.
ngishaya matric ngiphase ngebhashi la yeah
ubuconcentrate kanjani ukwenza izinto
kahle
Hey mfethu, like
eklasini iklasi
Yeah.
eklasini
But
yavuka ukhupha sharp kukhona mara isigela
ungabhanka amaklasi kanti.
benginokubhanga mara mina
Obviously
bengabhanki
lapho
kakhulu
bomisa amalesini mawubhanka.
still khona abantu abancane abazokubhekela besigeleza ngento kanje nakanje mina benginjalo emfethu kwenzakalini geleza ngento kanje nakanje angifakele angibonisa sharp ngiyageleza if ngidecide ukugeleza if angicwafa because incwadi bengiyicwafa
yeah
fly
But waphuma ngebhatshela.
serious nami yazi nasendlini bebanokungitshela ukuthi enhle kwena uhlupha kanje wena ngeke uphase bamangala nabo sengibuya ngebhathi nami ngazimangalela ukuthi enhleke kanjani enhle
yeah
yabo
akukho la ke kabizwa khona umzali wakhe esikolweni
ngabhaya bambiza umsebenzi ngabhaya yeah
Awukazi esikoleni
hayi isikela bengingakhuri mina isikela sami sigcwele ngabo cheese bengingaboni nokuthi bebangafani nami yabo bengilelo pantsula like elipopular yabo abantu ababhaya ku cheese boy yabo yeah so abe ngingaboni nokuthi ngabe ngamkhawata nomuntu wakhona mina ngathi ngilwa naye lapha so isikela mina ngaze ngagura everini angazi
then ama-gents wakho bowangafundi ku same school nawe wonke
besifunda different igela azayisoke mhlawumbe maybe ngithi esigele esithize lapha ePimville maybe kuleso skela kunamajita ayi3 awethu ageleza kuleso omunye ugeleza la emapitla maybe la kuna 2 egeleza la oyi1 ugeleza vava yabo mara samajimbosi siyacabana screen sama
yeah
okay cause angithi no ilocation yakho uhlala kuphi no
ngihlala eKliptown emafletini
okay
yeah
at the time bowuhlala kuphi
Ngisablomara
okay
yeah
so bow travel like from emafletini to Rockville
yeah bengifaka ngenyawo bangigaya imali yetix ngifaka ngenyawo ngiyayidla imali yetix akho fair lapha 30 minutes walk 25 minutes walk yeah ebencane kuvaka ngenyawo ethina besivana amajimbo sezingisho besiganga sisuke ePimville siye sneak park ngenyawo nayibe sifika ngenyawo sisuke ePimville mfethu yeah
wawayibamba inkonzo before
besizenza lezi zinto zonke siphaka abantu
but beningabalimazi or benibalimaza
sikulimaza amagoloza
ma-cooperator
ama-cooperator siyathatha siyahamba
yini eyayimotivate lento leyo ukuthi nibambe inkunzi because as much as when I feel like kini ngathi bebakuprovide everything that you need I don't think ukuthi there was the things or was there a time where you felt like endlini abakwazi ukungenzela into so it's better ngiziphandele
mina bengiziphandele from kudala azinoma singababeka abazali bami bazokutshela from very high school mina bengiziphandele nabo akuthi bebangenzela yonke into yabo obvious mawintwana endlini or omunye umntwana nomunye endlini mfethu hlezi bafuna inxosi ibesha uyabo na kanjani noma kubheda kanjani nami mfethu kithi khoni yakhona la malanga bekubheda or yabo mara umzali obvious uzomeka sure ukuthi mina ngiyalamba wena inxosi yagawula obvious obasha uyabo so mina bengiziphandela ungababuza nasendlini since namanje bengincane ukuziphandela bengizenzela into ezibhaya mina yabo so lento le ngathi maybe sa inspire abantu abarong ekasi thina sikhulele ekasi
ukuthi nibambe inkunzi yini lento
sikhulele ekati sikhondema na ama movies wabukela abo Jerusalem abo hijack stories watwa ikasi khona le wathayile ayinja kakhulu ishaya imoto inini yayibona namafikile ekasi fika ngezinye imoto inini yabo thina sijutheka mfethu jujwa into ezidizisa amajimbo futhi yabona amanzi ahlala ngenkwankwa nje namagents juthana ngento engenangqondo nje aniqabangi straight yabo gcina siyesenza izinto ezirong futhi sibonile ukuthi enhleke sine plug yokuthi singamfela umacala mabamenze kanje kusho ukuthi nani singayenza siphandele mfethu yabo sithola into esiyitholayo siphonsele emoyeni sithola imali sharp yabo.
So you've never been arrested of that, like those fana nenkunzi?
Mina ngazi ngaboshwa mina since ngijike police stars why.
Awukazi ujika stars kwa.
Police stars bengi.
Ujika khona.
Bengijika.
Kwenzekani uma ujika la?
Zona lezi zinto snacks.
Yeah.
Yabo. Isikhathini esibha mina bengijika la. Ukufahla ka straight mina ngazi ngikhuluma manga. Mara khona amajimbosi wami ukuthi afahla kiwe. Akhona pha amajimbosi wami angakaza afahlakwe. Abhaya afahla kiwe.
Like into ya serious.
Nano basafahla kiwe. Baseve iminyaka.
Manje lapha police station yenza niya bribe or what? Bribe ngaphoyisa.
Sabe mina uNkulunkulu bekangifavor something.
Yeah.
Sometimes vele lento le yetheshayo obvious na kanjalo. Sometimes nje niyaringisana nalabantu niyaringa. Maybe into eniyenzile ayikho roti kangako or akuna case, akunamuntu ovula icase. Maybe into ukuthi banibonile niyenza labantu don'ts. Akuna case ngeke ufahla kungena case. Yeah.
Okungena evidence.
Yeah, evidence ne case umuntu makavula inkinga.
Yeah, mayengekho yeah, the case is straight.
Yeah.
Then like unembeza like as wena, cause when you're not doing these things you must remember ukuthi uzenza now ezisikhathi samba yabo. So were you able like to sleep at night, like cause remember izinto obongazenzi lezi yabo besingakubuyeli like sometimes mhlawumbe ubuyele ama flashback of the things that you were doing next.
Yalala kahle yabo ezingisho ukuthi lezi zinto usuke maybe ngathi khona into echeck over kuwe phakathi yabo. So awucabange next or ini yenza lento yalala endlini grand. Yeah.
But zonke lezi zinto anizenzele kasi.
Yasizenzele kasi.
Outside eKaslane.
Yeah.
Enye into kwayibala ubala ukuthi I think bekune fight between East ne West.
Leyo ukuthi yazwani nami yeah sure. Yeah.
That thing kahle abobani laba beningazwani nabo. What's the East ne West, because khona umuntu odidekile ukuthi
if I did uqala besingazwani nizasephimvile zasezone 6 ke. Yeah. Khona lezi besingazwani nazo ke ezakhala.
Okay.
Beku Eastern West yokuqala. Zibhayi besingazwani nazo. Khona ezasemapetla angazi bezizibiza ngama outlaw or ini nazo besingazwani nazo. Khona ezasenaledi bebajama R&B besingazwani nazo. Yabo. So isikhathini esibhaya yabona lento ukuthi ukuganga maybe isiphaka abantu eri besingayenzi kakhulu. Into besiyenza kakhulu lokuthi ikimi ziyabhifa. Bani azwani nabo bani yangithola ya bekuyinto enjalo.
And what is the worst like traumatic situation that you remember till this day ongathi Lena it still come like emqondweni wami ukuthi this moment eyenzeka okulimala someone walimala in a bad way, and what happened in that situation?
Ngathini yazi into ezibhayi ezingayenzeki kakhulu sharp isikhawacheka mara into yayenze khona la bagwazi achoose yami vele ngasephimvili. Iyo ngathi maybe mara ngeke ngithi ngtraumatize loreni ngoba lento mina bese ngijwayele vele na kanjani into iyenzayo izobuya nakuwe mfethu. Yabo. So ngeke ngithi bengitraumatize mara la umntwana yangikhawatha lento yabo. Mawazi umgwazi umntwana yabo. Because izinto like zenzakala fast lapha.
Yeah ne.
Mina ngime nabo cherry ama-jimbos maybe ngathi
no same sport wamgwaza nje
mara like si I distant kakhulu yabo.
Okay.
Mina ngilibele nginaka abanye abo cherry lapha amajida lapha yangashiye lapha.
Yeah.
So mayenzeka achoose wami libele uthi kimi mtsaka amangiboni kwenzakala.
Yeah sure.
Uthi izwakala ngithi nyeza ebabazwaka so ngibona le yami bayigwazini ngibona sele lapha ngiyabo ukuthi ayi seku wrong manje ke. Angiyangigijima ngibona vele nayo eyi1 le ehlaba untwana naye sebayilalise phansi.
Shit.
Iveni ivelile nayo fast nje izinto zenzakala fast.
Iveni yabo 4.
Yeah, faka abomacala bama bayi2 evenini la. Ngiyangithola. Ngibuya ngiyabuka dama nento ekwenzakaleni. Ngithi emfethi basho emfethi libele siyakhwaza wena ubuni. yabo ngiyabona intwana yamselele phansi mara ama-gents lawa ayi-2 bewafaka even aphumile la yabo because nabantu bebasilwela ukuthi uyabona mara lento le injani nangiyawulele nalo ulele and abontwana bebalibele balasi ababona phela nangu ntango vela afika agwaza lo yangithola ya into eyangihla mara ngavana untwana esibhedlela yabo
waba grand
awube grand yena
but lezi zinto lezi like mhlambe awukazi usithathe njengokuthi maybe like ama-sign ukuthi you should stop this life because obviously ubona izinto nawe obonayo ukuthi uyalimala abangani bakho nabo bayalimala and nawe as much as ubona ukuthi as much as usebenzisa uMessi you must remember ukuthi now one day it's going to come back to you so that thing it must be at the back of your mind ukuthi now usengayi-experience that traumatic situation bakwazi nokufa nakuseduzane makunje
that's why ngisho ukuthi like yabona lento mayisayenzeka la awucabangi straight ayikho into eyiqabangayo futhi nisahleli nje saseyigroup yabantu ayikho into ecabanga awuzicabangi into ezinjalo usaphila impilo yasestradeni nje till maybe mhlambe ngithini ukhule makhula maybe uhlangane vele nabantu abaright mabanibona ukuthi nenza into ezikanje baringe nani banitshela bafit yabo abantu maybe abane-experience ukuthi man lento lesike sazenza or ini ayipheli sharp or ini mhlawumbe mawulibela ukhulu because masasekuleso stage usayenza lezo zinto akhohlwa ayikho into ozoyicabanga igrand
ufila as like a hero or something
uyazi ukuthi mina ngu-black man ngoba ngathini lapho ngenza kuphela or mina bangangenza ini nginamajimbusi amazongibhekha up so kuleso stage ayikho into ezocabanga grand la ayikho
and enye into engiyitholile ku-research yami ukuthi when apparently you were the king and still the king of amapantula
abantu bebacabanga kanjalo mina ngumuntu well known sharp amara ngisiboni ngiyiking sharp
but that title uyithole kanjani because obviously abantu abavele bakunike nje isiqoko
ngijwayelene nabantu ngikwazi ukuhlanganisa abantu yabo so maybe mhlambi ileyo nto yabo
so wena ayikazi bekhona lento leyo uzuzifika ukuthi no mina ngiking of amapantula
angisiking ngathi nami ngingathandi nokuba neking angisiking yabo angisiking
wena awuthandi kuba neking so kanjani bese uba iking
angazi maybe abantu bayangithanda nami ngiyabathanda abantu nami yabo mina angiziboni ngingcono kunabanye abantu yabo umuntu abantu mancane ivibe yami ngizoyincane ivibe yakho yabo angeke ukuthi unjani or ini putshanika ini magcwele ngami ngicwala ngawe mina angithola angijajani ukuthi uyenzani or ubani angithola nginjalo
then esigela njengoba busho ukuthi already belibuye lize esigela and balibize because of wena like bongaboni ngathi uyamhlukumeza like uma already ukuthi akezi ngento ezigrand like abanye beza ngokuthi umntwana wami ulanda ama-award but wakho uzwa ngokuthi uyahlupha esigela like lento leyo ayikaze ubone ukuthi but uma already wami kahle kahle this thing
yazi mina into ezibhangi zirecognize after mina serious ukukhula khane yazi leso ngisho mokuleso stage saseyintwana ayezinye izinto abinendaba nazo awucabangi ini ubona grand
after
for sure or awukazi wahlupha wena bo right wena
no there was a time vela obvious umjidi
like sengiyabuza nje so wena like nawe mama usageleza bozicabanga lezo zinto ukuthi enhle ngikhawathi olady or in or boyenza nawe kuphela nje
well with my situation ukuthi bese kahambile already emhlabeni so that was the case
that's why ngithi nami yabo into ezibhami na yazi ngiqala ukuzibona nami after khawatsheka kwami yabo isikhathini esibhaya phela sengiyi-1 sengisendlini ezinye izinto abo ngizibona ngenye indlela and then sengicala ukuthola futhi no yabona bese ngithola abantu because majority yempintshi zami eyisehroti nakimi
ubuzwana nabantu abakhulile vele
hayi no majority no like no
back then
plomane intanga zami lapho singena ngqondo sonke besifana nje yabo yeah that's why ngithi lento mayisayenzeka la bengacabangi or bengangidlikile or
mhlambe that's when I understand because I've never went through that situation vele angaze vele ngihluphe to an extent ukuthi umzala agcina bizela yangithola yeah and now ngitshela yini difference like because I don't understand like you guys wear iDMD yini difference phakathi kwesikhothane ipantsula nevandala because bonke labantu bashaya iDMD but they are categorized banika like those titles are different which is it doesn't make sense to me.
Mina ngiyoringela into engiyaziyo ngazi upantsu angazi ngikhothana maybe ikhothana ukuthi okay ngathini bayadura or bayaqhoma
but nishayile label eyi-1 at the end of
sharp bayadura or bayaqhoma thina sharp siyayigcoka sigcokela ukuba bahle or inibona angazi bayachomelana ukuthi sami imalini or angicambi yabo so mina ngiringela upantsula sigcokela ukuthi vele siyayithanda saza amapantsula nawo ayishaya ine style yamecha nani mangishayile yabo then ubuvandal engathini ubuvandal uvandal marigama liyazisho ngithi vandalizer kumosha or so bu different nakupa yazi that's why ngisho ukuthi lento le like decide wena ngomqondo wakho yabo ungaba ibhuja or uvandalize still kuya ngeplug yakho wena nomqondo wakho phela ngeke silibele sithi amapantsula ayiwa amoshayo or abantu abashama robbery amapantsula kusamapantsula yabo so that's why umqondo womuntu
mentality onayo
ukuthi ugcoka or impahla mawuyithandile into uzoyigcoka ulibele ungasipantsula if uyithandile idikise ekhala abantu uzoyithenga uyigcoka ngoba uyithandile yabo yeah
then with yonke into eseyenzakele like mawubuyela back emuva mawubheka namanje do you regret like the choices that you made and also being nje ipantsula nje because I think into enye eyakhehela kuzo zonke lezi zinto lezi
angeke ngithi ngiyaregreta upantsula into
engincanyayo
it's just that ipantsula namanje mina
it's just that maybe you would say maybe ama choices
yabo asikho perfect
yeah
yabo
would you say also nabangani mhlambi
mhlambi nabangani mara akunamngani bekangiforce ukuthi mfit yenza into kanje nakanje choice yami ngithi mina ngiyazidecide so ama choices ngivele ngawadenka nje ukwathatha into engacabanga ukuzenza yabo so ngeke ngithi ngiblame upantsula ngeke ngithini futhi ngeke ngiblame upantsula choices ngiblame ama choices wami ne ngiyama regrets akhona mara bathi umuntu ungaregret mara ungaregret kwakho akusho ukuthi like asicolisi kulabantu esibayenze kabi yabo so noma ungacolisa kubantu bayenze kabi but still akusiwo wonke umuntu ozovela acolo or nabanye abantu bashangenye igrudge serious na kanjani mfethu khona abanye mfethu ukuthi mabangibona ngilibele ngiku-wheelchair sengidisable
bajabulela lokho
like lo yabo
serious like can you see
for sure phela nabantu abahroti mina ekhasi khona ioledi elike lavela edladleni impintshe oledi la lacocela ioledi ukuthi khona bumaledi banokusho ukuthi hayilo futhi bakazenza iboss yamapantsula bekahlupha bheke manje ukuphi yabo
yeah kodwa ilento lelo mhlambe yokubamba inkunzi nani abanye abantu i-trauma phela bafika
i-trauma
showcase trauma
umshiya nenye i-trauma umuntu ukuthi
abanye abantu banovalo phela
thuka fast now experience le shwento le mabona sababamba ukuthi lo bekathukile
yangithola into enje yabona umuntu yabo
and abanye baningane nemndeni
straight
yabo yabo mina ngisaya emsebenzini ngisasebenzela le boysini every time mangehle crown bengehle ekseni ngabo 5 am ekseni ngehle stimeleni ngidabula lapha e-crown mine
sure
mangifika emsebenzini laba bazongilandela ngemuva bazongibuza ukuthi umbonile lo muntu ofile lapha bebanjwe inkunzi kuneyintwana ezibamba inkunzi kule handawo le and uthola ukuthi abanye omunye umuntu wakhona bayamazi khona omunye umathime bebethi hey lo mathime lo kunezingane unezingane ekhaya ku and njalo makumele afike uhlazwa ayiphathele isingo ekseni before zesikoleni manje bamgwaza lapha washona
ayindizidala azikhosha
webo leyo nto leyo ilemazi izinto eziningi kanje
straight
yeah
because as much as niphatha umese nithi niyobamba inkunzi obviously angeke ukuthi umuntu hayi lona nje ngizomgwaza ithanga noma ngizomgwaza umesa
njenjalo
uyagwaza nje uyagwaza
noma udubula ngeke kusho ukuthi ngifuna ukumdubula la mase kwenzeka kuyenzeka
yini esuke ibe inkinga ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe ufuna ifoni uthatha ifoni uphume kuye umyeke ungamgwazi
awuzingisho ukuthi kakhulu abantu abasuke bakhawaja yilabo abagolozayo
mogoloza
mawuyimela into yakho ungafuni
yeah
lapho uzolimala
manje nimiyeke ngani
singayithi
ogoloza ukuthi phela mayegoloza phela imiyeke
angithi uze ngokwenza lento uze ngokuthatha ngithi akafuni manje ngenzeni ngiyekele
umyeke ahambe
musa ngithi yona into bengifuni
uzothola umuntu then ukuthi umkhawathi cabanga mfethu ufele ifoni mfethu impilo mfethu ayikho replaceable ifoni you can replaceable but impilo
mfethu acabanga straight mayenza lezi zinto
but uyasho ukuthi it like usu that stage and more abantu abamothi man the same mindset ne group of people like it's hard for you
ukuthi bangathi ufuna prove a point or ufuna ama deductor asho ukuthi hayi mangiphethe ine plug la yayenza la yabo
angikazi ngicabanga ukushaya ama haste
yazi zikhona like izinto engathi iziDP sizenzile mara ngifuna ukukhuluma ngathi angaze ngaboshwa phela qala libuye yabo so ezinye izinto angincane kuringa ngazo mina ngiringa vele ngalezi vele kumele zizwiwe vele yabo
but there are deep stuff like ezingakufaka into serious trouble and then enye into like engifuna ukuyazi igun wakwayiphatha because as much as phela lento leniya escalator ngithi since it was igoni ayikazi escalated to ukuthi uzophathe
isibambo piece angazi angazi
ne
vele uzobe sekuzola amaphoyisa
qinisa silandwa kathina thethi yo ano ngiyakuthola uthi and then you mentioned ukuthi today uhlale ku wheelchair
sure
what happened like can you because I know a lot of people are familiar with that story
our family actually siyababhora
but maybe my audience there are some of the people who might not have an idea and omunye ngeke a realize ukuthi you can't walk today
sure
kahle what happened dog kwenzakalani
yazi lento yaqala kanjani Green Sharp lamathi vela angawatshile lekake ezingawatshile lezi ngiyazazi
okay
yabo abantu vele ingengaphila nabo ezase Orange Farm Green Sharp ngizazi ingengaphila nazo yabo then ezinye intwana zasePhimvili ukuthi lezi zase Orange Farm khona zaploma la ePhimvili zaqala vele ngazi zagruma le intwana zasePhimvili yabo so into yenzakele ukuthi lezi ezihamba ngiphila nazo kudala vele from kudala khona A1 ne iyazana nezinye ezasezone 14 yabo ngasho ukuthi nazo lezi zasezone 14 ePhimvili crew nazo yabo so leyo crew yasezone 14 ngathi kwenzeka ukuthi ingazwani nalezi ezibuye Orange Farm ezihlangene nalezi zasePhimvili yabo so le J1 izwana nazo lezi zase 14 which is thina sikacava ukuthi lezi zase 14 azwani
shayisana
nalezi
leza
and lezathi na siyacavana grand so thina indaba zaba sizingeni yabo
yes
so lethe one yasicavisa ngalezi zase 14 sigcina sicavana nazo sesinokubloma into enjalo which is azwani nalezi so lezazi itshela ukuthi nathi sikhera indaba zabo and thina sizikhira sinandaba kwenzakaleni bakhawethe yona le i1 yethu sicava lesicavise ngalezi
yeah
so leyaphela ivanathi le
yeah
somlweli outage na kanjani yabo
okusasa ilento i touch one touch all
obvious
hey madoda
njayami ngiyayifela yabo
yeah
so kube into enjalo ukuthi nogiba khawatshele i1 yethu le sivanathi ke sobalanda asazwani nabo yabo sekuyinto magijimisana nabo so kwenzakala ukuthi sashaya iparty nezinye zami zasezone 4 ngathi sort of street bash
nishayela kuphi party
ezone 4 ePimville
okay
sishayela lapho so masishayela lapho siyaphuza yazi masamajita vele thina masiphuze omunye ubambile le omunye unaka indaba zakhe asasevele yabo
yakufana noma ngama gents note ukuthi
so nami vele benginechiri yami la yabo so kube into enjalo le yankwanki ngisingasazwani nazo lezi mara sizicava ebesizicava sisazwana nazo zifike ke la yabo vele zifike
ezakuphleze ifikayo no
yilezi engitshele ngazi ukuthi ezinye zase Orange Farm nezinye yabo zafika la yabo
okay
so mina ngazi ngilahle isiphi isipoko bengiyapi la yabo ngizithola sengiphakathi kwabo
udakiwe ngaleso sikhathi
angiphuzile ngidakiwe
shit
so benginayo ichoice ukuthi ngibaleke bengengilimali yabo
usho kanje
so mina ngithi ngizenza isigora manje
and ukherele igama leli nginkinga vele
senza isigora ngithi ngifela khona ngisabile ikaka lezi mina yabo fela khona kwenzeke ukuthi steps sami sokucala bangishayi
yiso leso
mara yi operation akasamela esayitini kune scratch yasibo
yeah sure
steps sokucala which is phambili kanje ke ngithi ngiyazilwela nami yabo nami ngibaphethe umobese mara besingasekho leso sikhathi ngoba izinto zenzeke fast yabo ngibheja amapodlela ngasebenzisa amapodlela yabo steps sokucala bangishayi esinye bangishayela entameni la bacithe ngishayela entameni la so labantu bebabhala
ayingakho ama gents
bewabhala surely 15 men yabo laba and mina bese ngiyiwayo
but wena bongabona ukuthi like labantu laba baningi ayeke kubamela as much as bushile
desay mina bekunini inka yazi thina zonke ama-authami yazi besifuna nathi maybe masizokulela masitshela ukuthi hey bakulwisa usitshela into ecinile nje ungathi hayi ngibalekile or ini usitshela into right ukuthi nami ngizamile ukugoloza or insilele into ekhona yabo so thina besinjalo nazo lezi bezicava ukuthi noma singathola maybe iwanda siyacava izozilwela kucala izosigolozela kucala masikhawatha noma sibaba obvious mina ezingisho ukuthi bekune choice yokubaleka bengiyengikhawathe mara ngibonile okay sharp amajita ngiqondayo phambili angazi bekangaki maybe 5 6 obvious bazongoverpower
emuva bekungekho abantu
bebakhona ngithi ngisacela ngithola ukuthi maybe siboma 15 men
damn it
angithola bavele ngaphambili ngadecide ukuthi niyalwa ngishaya steps sokucala la kanti khona ezisemuva ke zangisurround yabo ila ke ngizoshaya istep la bangishaya la ku shoulder bangishaya ku chest bangishaya nespine yabo which is lezi ezisemuva engingaziboni ngwele phansi
shit
yabo
leso sakuyisa ukuthi bakushaya ispine
bangishaya ispine
damn it
and so lezi into mashaza shaya ngizwe ukeni vele ngiyezwa ukuthi akhona into engenayo fa angena yabo so nyawa mina mangiwa mina ngisafuna ukula ngifuna ukusukuma so mangithi ngiyasukuma angisenamandla kuyala yabo ngithi ngiyasukuma next
mabaqeda ukushaya then benzani bo
bathatha ibhaji yami ngishaya ikhaveli bathatha ikhaveli yami bathatha isigqoko sami la angazi nabo lento bayenze bathukile because bekunefoni bekunemali abazithathanga lezo zinto yabo bathatha ibhaji bathatha isigqoko kuphela
sibaleke ngani isigqoko vele
hayi mina angazi ziyadura maybe le igqoko
Yeah.
Ngiyabuza maphela nasekuqaleni isuke ngesigqoko.
ezibha
Yes, like yonke lento lena isigqoko ngenhleke, yeah.
Thandwa kabi lento yesigqoko blind le yabo.
Yeah.
So bathatha isigqoko sami bathatha ibhaji yami la yabo ngasala sengilele la. So bayenzani fika abantu banguka bangichiftisa la. Yabo then khona A1 ezamile ukungilele yami la yabo. Mara sekuthi bengilela ngibona ngafocus sengizwe ukuthi man no Stunza bamgwaze umlomo la bekathi uyazikhela la yabo. Yeah, so mina bese ngilele phansi khwazi imoto angazi iBolt or
Amanye ama-gents because
ile
obviously
thing isho ukuthi yabona amasebe umnandini ne
Yeah.
abanye bayochecka mara ezinye la ile nto engihlezi ngisho ezinye zibalekile ngizibonile.
Shit. Bakhona ama-gents abalekile.
Ezibalekile.
Mababona ukuthi
Ngisho
uyakwazi.
mina mfethu ngumuntu wabantu khona
Yeah,
amajite
yeah.
ekudala ngwafelori ezinye ngizibonile zibalekile 99.
Zibonile mhlawumbe ukuthi uyakhawateka.
Manje aningisizi. Mawumfethu ufana mawimpintshi yami.
Umuntu ubalekela impilo mfethu.
Oh.
Ubonile ukuthi hayi one man down no.
Mawimpintshi
But
yami.
angithi ne-bro code
Mina ngathi ngiyakufela kodwa wena uyabaleka.
Yeah, angibana lento leyo ukuthi siyafelana. Yes.
Amalanga awafani mfethu.
Hayi khole.
But na yena njengoba
Thina ngathi
uyasho ukuthi
besingakwazi
bengamela
ukuthi-
any day.
Yeah.
Bengekabale kwayena zange ayibalekele for his own life.
Yabo.
Abantu abafani omunye angeke abe nesibindi wena onaso.
Kanjalo phela uyangibonisa ukuthi nami kusasa ngeke kulwele uzongitsheleni die sharp.
So uyabona ukuthi it comes back to that's the
Hayi,
reason.
ngeke ngayisho
That's the reason
ukuthi,
he was
yeah.
i-gang leader and that's the
Yeah.
reason bamazinga
Yeah.
gang leader because
Yeah,
of
hey.
akekho umuntu akekho bekanesibindi ukundlula yena. And uye he was the most popular ku Skim Sane.
Eish. Yeah.
Then mayabaleka ama-gents awekho amanye awakusiza or something.
That's why ngisho ukuthi ile eyi-1 engazwela ukuthi man ntwana uyele yazikhera akwazi kumlomo yabo.
Yeah, sure.
Because into ezibhangi zizwe after cause mina kule sijuvia singwila ngithi banguka bangishiftisela angazi phambi kwelinye idladla la
Yeah.
kwakhwaza imoto la then okay le maybe bengisashana la yapheleli oledi ne-time yabatshela ukuthi kanje nakanje ukuze bakwazi ukufika esibhedlela so bangigijimisele ebhara ke la yabo ndlineli kuye ebhara ngabatshela ukuthi hey mina ngikhathele ithi ngivala namehlo kancane bayala wathendo tuzosifela ngavala amehlo sebathukile phela yabo swanga enza ukhithi ngavula amehlo because ngiyeza ukuthi ngiphelelwa amandla yabo sharp ngiye esibhedlela trauma ward sharp ila ke stitcher nyana so mina ngayithatha light lento yabo ngathi ngizophola siyabalanda mangiphola labafana
Mawufuna revenge.
obvious bengisho ukuthi aceda ngale gagalizi yabo so after lapho ke okay indaba yami okay sharp trauma ward after trauma ward bangisa kwi normal ward sharp ezingisho mina ngithatha light mara ngiyeza ukuthi like ilower body yami ayisathishi mara ngitshela ukuthi maybe into ezothatha nyani isikhathi ngizoba sharp yabo so after that ngathi situation yami ibe yaba serious maybe after about 2 days ngikwi i-hotel normal ne so okay ngithi mina ngikhumbula ukwenzakaleni ngaphapha mangise ICU yabo already imali ngicocela ukuthini ngathi ngiyele nga react otherwise yabo so la ngishawa intamo khona ngathi ngaduma yabo ezingisho ngishawe nala chest yabo so ifuba nazo zadumba umzimba wami ngathi usotshintsha ikhala yabo so bese ngibloka angazi kwenzakaleni nami because mina ngikhumbula vele 2 days ngisase ku normal ward after lapha ngaba bloka papa mangise ICU mina yabo so
Are you feeling any pains at the time?
yazi mina ipain ngijwayele mina hey ipain ngijwayele ipain na bisanokungishana no mara like akusinto engikhala ngayo yini yabo so bangithi ngathi after leyo reaction bangijimisela i-ICU ukuthini ngiphefumule ngemishini no yabo because mina self angisawazi yabo vaya nokuthini khona lestebe bangishaya sona la emuva la umisi wakhona ngathi ungene etipi washalela ngila ku left angithi amalanga mawashasha mawa aspana wethu angithi so mabalishadeli ngathi lele lathula
Shit.
so bese kutheshaleli kuphela yabo which is ke kwangikhosta ukuthini bangifake emapipe ke lapho yabo leli support ke nyana till lizilele cause ilanga ayithungwa ilanga or imeli izipholele
Yes.
yangithola
Yeah.
so hayi ICU ke ICU ngihleli kuma 1 month ke ngilibele ngistruggle ke ukuphefumula la bengingagawuli ke bengigawula ngalama pipe akho khona le pipe le engena la ekhaleni la yabo iyenza ukuthi akusina ukudla lokuya
Yeah.
ukuthi nje kube na something siswini
So do you wake up at ICU or you don't wake up like you
ngiyaphapha
unconscious?
ICU mfethu avuse ukuthi bengakwazi ukukhuluma ngiphakathi kwamapipe
Yeah, but you can see izinto okay, but still you can't do anything.
so isikhathini esibhafu futhi ICU like bafuna umzimba wakho like ube relaxed yabo khona lo mjovo bakushanga uyalala yabo so isikhathini esibhayi already belinokuza sharp sometimes amalanga khona amalanga ngiyakhumbula khona engingawakhumbuli ICU yabo because sometimes benginokuba block out totally thole ukuthi iSunday Vandag ngithi already lazwakala maybe Vandag iSunday lingishayela iround ngiblock out uzwakela izola ngithi Saturday ngisaphaphamile ngibonile yabo ngibe block out ne after so Sunday ngisase block out yazwakala Vandag uzongichecka azwakale Monday ngiphaphamile mina ngitshela ukuthini man hayi izola ngithi ngimbone Saturday ngisatshela ukuthi hayi man lo muntu uzile izola which was Saturday Vandag Sunday ngiyambona futhi kanti Sunday bengiblock out
manje uma block out uya usukufeyintile
ngathi ukufeint or something like angiphaphami total
I think ukuba unconscious
showcase yabo
it's ayenzeki once leyo nto
kanti mina bengisharp
phindi yenzeke ibuye
beyenzeka blind vantu like yazi ICU bayenza like banokutext ababona babakutest ukuthi like babona ukuthi so uyakwazi ukuziphefumulela something
yabo
so sometimes amapipe bayawakhipha so uzophefumula ngeoxygen kuphela yabo babo then ukuya kwesikhathi dada ngiyami ngathi bengakahili grade yabo so kuya kwesikhathi sometimes angiyabuza man ngiyahlule noba bangifaki oxygen ngiyabuza ukuthi angiyahlule ukuphefumula ngiba block out ke kuzomela bangibuyisele emapipe futhi yangithola
but ngiyakuzwa uyabala uma oledi uyebekeza your dad bekangezi abangani bakho bebakuphi
ICU abangani bami bebangazakali juja oledi ngathi belingafuni vele bazi ngisase critical yabo so oledi beliza kakhulu Monday to Friday itime angithi la span alichayisa late yabo so itime abelizwakala weekend mal yabo showcase kunama siblings ayi2 omunye umncane so lo mncane womfana abavumelanga ukungena vele until angazi makabamba 12 years khana akwazi ukuzwakala vele azokuchecka so maka sase lower than that age akavumelanga ukudwala yabo because ngathi umzimba yabo like iswak bakhesha ama infection fast ukugula fast yabona so abavumelanga ukuthi bangene so bekuzwakala ioledi time abelizwakala vele malingangena ngespanini weekend yabo bekuzwakala then nesibling yami yentombazana ke isekonpona sendlini yangilandela yona benokuza like ngoba nabe egeleza yabo so biza manye copies esikela yabo
lento lena like yenzakala nini uthi I'm like after uqeda isikela or before uqeda isikela
sengiqedile isikela ngisicede 2019
okay
lento
yenzakala nini
ukawatsheka kwami ngikawatsheki last 2022 ngikawatsheki 2022 July ngi23 mangicaba
into ya recent
senginamibu ma 2 years nganje ngithola enzakala nje
then and ngiyakuzwa ba le ndaba yokuthi nama siblings abantu abakulandelayo ubatshelani like in this whole situation like cause remember now I think there are some of the things that you've learned about friends yabo ukuthi hey yabona sometimes when days are dark friends are few you've experienced that thing
you cannot trust them friends
yabo so what are you saying like to ama siblings akho like nje mabazoyibuka lento lena like what would be your advice like to your own blood
esikhathini esibhanga ngishofana le incane umfana le ngishofa marisa seyincane ezinye izinto ayisunderstand yabo so isasencane yini enginokuyikhuthaza isana because yona ngibona ngathi like ifuna ukufana nami ufuna ukuba iphansela ini mara mina ngifuni ifane nami yebo angazami ngizofakula ngifaka ibhaji mina lentana yabo angifuni ifane nami so lo wentombazana ngathini umecho kakhulu something lo ntombazana incanyela isigela akancane impintshi kakhulu so izinto ezibhangathi uyazi-understand uyazibona yabo incanyela isigela hlezi asendlini nini lezi zinto ezibhaka zi-entertain yabo so into ezibhana bekazibona kimi shumara uyangalandeleli or something yabo yena ufuna lento ayifuna into angishangayo ke yabo u-different yangithola yeah.
And then after the whole situation, like ama-gents akho like they've never tried like mhlampe ukuthola revenge while wena use-ICU and stuff like what happened lapho?
Lento leyo vele like yeah into amajita ayenzile vele because bathe like after ukukawacheka kwami khona same day
yeah
amajita mawacida ukuthi hayi man nangiyawu trouble dawo lelo ukawachile la amajita kwenzakala ukuthi bakhuphuka bayobheka amajita lawo yabo so ngathi mabafika la abawatholanga yabo so days after futhi ngathi baya futhi yabo mabaya ngathi la babathola mara abontwana ngathi babaleka yabo so ngathi batholwe yi1 bamkhawatha lezi bangazitholi ngathi bebaphula emadladleni wakuzo
leba ikhabatha bayenzani le
bayakwaza
eish
yabo bangiseda bayakwaza bashanga amapaka ngathi ya so after futhi ngathi kwayenzakala le ntwana sashintsha location lekakalezi yabo sashintsha location amajita aya futhi yabo la mawafika futhi ngathi azange babathola la mara ngathi abontwana bebane impantshinyana rehontshi la ngathi baphulana la yabo so into engayizwela ukuthi amajita ayenza lawo ke so ngathi after isikhathini isibhala amajita lawo lekakalezi bengasahlali la ekasi la yabo
so to what extent like bakulimaza iziphi mhlawumbe izinto ongathi manje like awukwazi ukuzenza like bakulimaza to what extent like yabo because ezinye mostly into esiyibonayo thina ukuthi awukwazi ukuhamba which is into esiyibona from outside yabo so iziphi mhlawumbe like internally and nezinye mhlawumbe ongazimenshina ongathi to till this day awukwazi ukwenza ukuthi because of this
yazi disability izibhayi izinto ongakwazi ukuzenza yabo into ezibhasi kumele bakusize no ukugeza sharp ukugeza ngiyakhona ukugeza mara ngishaya i-upper body because i-lower body ayisipani kumele bangisize yabo so into ezibhaba ukuzisusa from endaweni kanje to endaweni kanje maybe kumele bakusize bakuguge or something ma endaweni asakhona ukuthi uvawe yi1 yabo wherever ufuna ukuya khona kumele kube nomuntu ofanayo uzakwazi ukubheka or yabo so zibhaya lezi yabo yeah no into ezibhaya udinga usizo makulesimo yabo
like according to wena yayishintsha kanjani like your whole life like this situation like yashintsha kanjani like wena mawubheka
ngathini like mina bengumuntu othanda istrata yabo so angisa kakhulu no angisancanywa impintshi kakhulu sharp zikhona impintshi yabo mina ngivana iflow no into engayisho yabo mafuna ukushaya around impintshi yabo sharp akuna flop yabo ngincanywa ezingishilo vele yabo ngathini okay sharp isikhathini esibhasi ngisedladleni obviously yabo sengisedlaleni ngiyasiza into ezibhaya ngisakhona ukuzenzela mina self and angina choice yabo so isitshentshe ngendlela ebhala like ngicine nami sengibona izinto ngendlela ihlukile ukuthi enhle kumona ezinye izinto mawuzenza usakhula azikho sharp zikhawatha abanye abantu yabo so ukwazi ukucabanga kahle so ukwazi ukuzicabanga lezi zinto obuzenza nabafethu bakho yabo ukuthi enhle into uyenza na obvious na kanjani izobuya wena ithatha isikhathi esingakana yabo yeah
so do you feel like did you had to go through all of this like to learn because if lento bengayenzakalanga I don't think you would have became this person that you are today
mina bengizoshintsha mina na kanjani
usho so
bengizoshintsha because even though lesikhathi ngiyazi into ezibha mina like
bosawuziyekile mhlawumbe
bengasazilandeleli kakhulu bese ngiphila impilo nje sharp yabo so nayide ngisho ukuthi vele maybe bekumele yenzeke le yonke into idaleka ngentalo kaMdali vele yabo so bekumele yenzeke la thing na kanjani decide uMdali akudecide thina yabo
umuntu okholwayo uThemba
blind
like do you pray
blind
were you praying even before
ngumroma certificate sebaptism certificate sekini bayibizani confession or something sokuthi ngithi sacrament showcase
ubuyelile esontweni nje
ngiya sometimes umoya motive khane ngiya njena nje
yeah then to those friends ababaleka have you ever spoken to them till this day
ngiyaringa ezingisho yazami mina into ezibhangi vele like ngazitshela ukuthi okay sharp babalekile bangibonisile ukuthi abantu abanjani mara le ngeke ngibatshele ukuthi hayi nina nibalekile yini yabayeka sharp makafuna ukuza azongibona uzwakala uzongibona siplome sharp yabo so into ezibhangi vele like ngaziminasa mara ngini indlela engajampisi nje yabo
unakho kuyisola kwesinye isikhathi
too much yabo ezinye izinto if bengingazenzanga phela ngaba ngikho kanje ngabe izinto azenzakalanga kanje yabo mara le simo like singibonisa into ezibhazi ngigele ezithi izinto ezibhaya yabo and futhi ngathini siyangikhulisa futhi yabo kwezinye izinto yabo ngihlangana nabanye abantu different nabo ukuthi bayangiguide bayangikhulisa nabo yabo so like singisizile even though singikhawathi or ini mara mina nginethemba blind ukuthi ngizoba sharp
uma mhlambe bengafika bexolisa noma mhlambe bake bazama ungathi are you ready
would you forgive them
lo mbuzo lo sharp ngathi okay ngihlezi ngisho la kuyafa still even though mangizothina ngibaculile ngisazobalanda makungayenzeka khawatiki one yabo or one yabo kube order ngizoba i-first suspect sengishilo public balanda ini yabo so ngidala uzosolve lapho na mina nginandaba nabo mina ngibheka impilo ngiyaphambili mina ngifuna imali mina
Yeah. And my situation also like especially if there are girls involved banokujika ugelo wakho like what happened are you still together kwenzakalani lapho
sahlukana
nihlukana ngaliphi ngokuthi angeke sakhona noma
mhlambi bengeka ngasankhona ngoba uyovele nje wayela le nje avela wa decide ukuthi
bese nijole for isikhathi esingakanani
bese sishaye 3 years mina
whole full 3 years
buchira amadocate hayi ngeke
usho ukuthi it's one of the lessons you've learned also about amantombazana
yazi into okhethwa or yani into normal iyenzeke kudala kimi or ini
ne akusinto osongayithatha ifikisha enhlizweni
bengiexpectile like yabona makulesimo nemazongena kulesimo ama-doctor amanesi ngicina niphenduka abangani so bakubeka stars because bona bayijwayele lento ngithi basipana ngayo so bayaringa nabo bakutshela ezinye izinto ukuthi yabona mfiti masoka ngicabe ukuthi impilo yakhe ayisafani nalo yamuntu ukwazi ukukhamba
because normal person
kumele expect into ekanje nakanje abangani bangajika anytime ngeke kusafana nakudala ucherry if ucherry maybe oqinile ongathi ungasimela lesimo angahlala na for leso sikhathi yabo manje ku age group yethu ebafethu nyazi ukuthi
ukhanyeva
amadocate lezinto ku age group yethu yabo so bangibeke stars ukuthi ungamangali necherry yakho maybe ingakushiya yabo so ungamangali abanye abantu ngathi maybe cherry yakho uzobacala maybe ukuba nomuntu obakulesimo or yabo phela kusafana nakudala ngeke usafana naleyo trouble yokudala ukuthi uvaye kuyomchecka sekumele eze kuya kunakekele ezinye izinto yabo so akwayenzeka kwazi yena yabo ukuthi why
yeah and alright mawuthi manje so focus emalini ngibonile ukuthi une brand yakho iqale nini uthi
ngiqale 2023 December.
Okay, ini igama la?
Yazidlalisa Sula, iyo le ngitrokile le.
Azidlalisa
Sula.
Siyasula.
Oh, siyageza.
Siyageza. Azidlalisa Sula. Yeah. Yeah, iye ngiphusha ngayo, iye ngizama ngayo.
Yeah, ngiyayibona kuma social media wakho, hlezi uyiphushe nabantu bayayithanda.
Yeah, bayayithanda abantu. Dana like apha phela ama local brand.
Yeah, they're too much, ne?
Blind.
Do you feel like it's a competition?
Si competition. Mina ngifuna sipushisana. Mina umuntu makashange local brand ngiyamtshela mfethu. Ngigayijezi. Si advertiselana siyapushisana. Tholela customer. Not unless unenkinga ke ubona icompetition. Yabo.
So itholakala kanjani uthi mami
bangekile TikTok. Okay. Ngine page ku Facebook yazidlalisa Sula igama layo.
Yeah.
Instagram yazidlalisa Sula la. Yeah, bingikhona ku TikTok. Mara bayiheka so
ngibonile. Yeah, TikTok ngathi lula nokuthi bakuheke lapha yavela. Akufani na ku Facebook.
Ngikhona na ku Facebook futhi igama lami straight ukuyabethi inhlayilani la. Yeah, so my phone ngithola. Sure.
So khona in like ikipa kuphela amajezi
yonke into ikhona ikipa amabruko igcoke sporti bini kepisi idayide ngibag ikhona amadrava khona yeah
before nje soyivala uthi ungathini mhlambe kumuntu like ofuna ukuba ipansula and on the same mindset that you had like mawuqala ungene lobupansula because now I feel like you lost direction along the way but you had like you had like a certain mindset which was a good mindset ukuthi you liked art and stuff like bongangena kupansula because of you wanted to mark people ugcine kwenzeka zonke lezi zinto ezenzakile izinto ezikuthole along the way so ungathini to someone like naye osaqala ijourney yakho ipansula ongena with that same mindset that innocent child in fact yabo naye ona lento leyo ukuthi no ngifuna just ukuba nje ipansula ngi-embrace ukuba ipansula that's all ungathini kuye advisor like
alright yes into engingayisho ukuthi yabo le mindset angena ngayo ayikhiphe latwi yabo angavumeli peer pressure kimshaye yabo ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ufuna ukwenza izinto ezirong ini zikhona impintshi ezisharp ne indaba sekuthi yazi sitshela ukuthi yazi abantu abasharp amabhari or ini
yeah
mara asithole ngeimpintshi ezishapu amamela abazali even though uzoba ipansula like abe yinto afuna ukuba abe uye man
yeah
angafuni ukuba umunye umuntu or afuna ukuzenza umunye umuntu yabo abe role model yakhe yena self ngithola aphushe lento afuna ukuyiphusha nje alandelele leyo ndlela nje angavumi nje mara siyazi vele siyintwana ini sinokuthemtheka kwezinye izinto
yeah it happens
hlangana nabanye abantu ini impilo sharp yabo mara zabe nje kuba focus nje yabo yeah
I know ngiyakuzwa Themba ngiyakuzwa khona mhlawumbe into ofuna ukuyibuza unkinga ngaphambi kokuba simdedele Okay. I just want to say this out here. Thank you for coming. And before we had a conversation, you told me to check out Dola wakwakhuluma ngawo.
Sure.
You see, yeah, on that episode where he came. Yeah, but yeah. I just want to know, like, from when, like, what was your reaction, like, when you see like ekhuluma nan because I think he was putting it in a perspective. You could see. you know ezinye izinto like indlela bekayibeka ngayo ukuthi ikasi like ezinye izinto like kwenzakala izinto eziseya yabo. What was your reaction when you saw that before nje we end the show?
Okay, nami ngibona like ngibonisa abantu bathi mfethu ubo $1 bekaringa ngithi $1 hayi lina noma
Yeah, sure.
yeah ngishasha sharp ngayibona hayi yazi mina ngakutshala futhi no kanti mfethu iGrootman lang Frostana ngangithola so ngathi ngithathe kanjani. Okay, maybe we set as example ukuthi amajita angagcina wele kulezi zinto like ezi yabo kunama consequences nyana angekho sha yabo ngiyangithola. So like beka amajita stars yabo and ingikhuthazile ngathi uDol yang Frostana bheka phela upantsula bethu vele masikhula simamela abo Chakato
sure
why ngiyangithola
cause end result kuzoba yini to someone mhlambe ofuna ukuba uThomas. What will be the end result?
Lehle nayo lengihlezi ngisho ukuthi hayi yabona lento ayibhadali tsiba uzoba disabled njengami tsiba 6 feet under yashona or itsida ijele ayikweni ayipheli ayikazi yaphela kamnandi lento bonke abantu bazokutshela ayikazi
true
yabo ayikazi na kanjani.
I know. Ngiyakuzwa. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Ungabanika nje ama handles wakho ukuthi bakuthole kuphi. Maye isho phela ku TikTok wenze account entsha noma wenze kanjani?
Ngishayila mara mina bese ngiphela igama ku TikTok Kiabethi Inhlayelane.
Okay.
Ku Facebook Kiabethi Inhlayelane. Then yazidlalisa sula futhi for impahla ku Facebook. Instagram yazidlalisa sula.
Okay, akunankinga. Siyabonga uThami. Inkinga akunankinga.
Akubonga mina.
Shout out.
Ngiyabonga abafethu. Hayi ngiyabonga.